Sorry, I'm eating, as you can see. HU reppin'. Today, I was in the DMV, and speaking of the DMV, Maryland, the M in the DMV is known for their crab. So today, we're gonna make some crab dip. Let's go. Okay, I think I got all my ingredients. Of course, I'm gonna start with some crab. I have lump crab. And these are blue swimming crab, lump crab meat. Ooh. Break that down. And then this is 8 ounces of sour cream. Get it all. I love crab. There's this place in Maryland that I had, I would say, the best crab cake from. And this is 12 ounces of cream cheese. It's called Tapas, something like that. I don't think it's there anymore. Well, that's what it is. They don't sell the crab cake anymore. I was so disappointed. But I had one in Baltimore. I forgot the name of the place. In November of 2022. Yeah. It was good. But it wasn't that I had at the Harbor, National Harbor in Oxon Hill. And this is some Worcestershire sauce. Gotta be careful with this. This is Old Bay, and it can be salty. And my secret ingredient.
It's not a secret if you're telling it.
I've never seen it done like this with this used, but did I use this before, y'all, already? I don't know. I can't remember. This is lemon seasoning. I think I did. And a little, oh, I did for my pasta salad. A little bit of that. Get a little tang. And then I'm going to use this cheese that I had, the rest of this cheese that I had from when I made my omelet and my French toast sandwich that I had. But I got some more cheese. This is triple cheddar. And that was a cheddar blend. Woo! Now I'm just going to mix it all around. So I'm going to keep mixing this and go to the next step. And we'll be back.
Do you want the young child in your life to learn their ABCs in a unique way? Do you want them to learn about themselves, their family history, and at the same time help them build a positive self-esteem? Well, the personalized ABC About Me book is the product for you. And this personalized book for the little one in your life, each letter of the alphabet is used to help the child learn the names of the important people in their life, places associated with them, and is used as a positive adjective to help the child develop a positive vocabulary about themselves and the people in their lives. The letters are paired with pictures for image association and people recognition. The first step to ordering the book is to fill out a form with the child's name, birth date, and birthplace. Then either by yourself or with the help of the creator of ABC About Me, Rashawn E. Forrest, yours truly, will come up with those adjectives, names of relatives, and places associated with the child. The pictures that appear in the book can come from the parent or other family members. Or a photo shoot at my studio, Life in the Daylight Studios, can be done of your little special one with props. You and I will come up with the theme and color scheme for the book. If you would like more information about ordering the child in your life a personalized ABC About Me book, please email abcaboutme@gmail.com. With ABC About Me, building a child's self-esteem and identity is easy.
So it's now all incorporated. And just like with most of the recipes that I've done thus far that have had meat in it, you can always substitute your protein. I've made this before, same recipe, but use chicken because my grandmother can't have seafood. Well, she can have it in moderation, but so I made hers with chicken. And I even though I use chicken, I use the seafood seasoning. And she liked it. And she can't have dairy often either. So I used, instead of the cream cheese and the sour cream, I used non-dairy sour cream and non-dairy cream cheese. And she liked it. So you can use chicken. I don't know if I would use anything. I guess you could use tofu. I don't know. You can use fake chicken. Because the chicken that I've had, it looks like chicken. So you can just break it up into shreds of chicken. You can use mushrooms. I've seen a lot of people, a lot of vegetarians and vegans use mushrooms as a protein to mimic their protein. But I won't use my meat. Alright. So I'm going to put this in an already greased pan, loaf pan. And then I'm going to put mine in the oven. And if you want this hot or spicy, make it a buffalo crab dip. Use your favorite hot sauce and lots of it. I don't like spice, as we learned in my meat patty or meat pie episode. So I'm going to put this in here. Get all of this in here. I would top it with cheese, but I don't got no more cheese. Excuse me before my mother corrects me. I don't have any more cheese. She's always correcting me. That little pause that you saw earlier in the video, that was her correcting me or stopping me from putting Old Bay seasoning, more Old Bay seasoning in. Make sure I get it all. And smooth it out. So I'm going to put this in the oven for about 30-35 minutes, and then we'll check on it. The dip has been in the oven for about 30 minutes now. I'm going to go check it. This is what it looks like. If I had more cheese, I would have put it on the top and it would have been a little more brown, but we went with what we had because this is eating at home with Chef Ref. I'm going to let it cool down a little bit. It smells good. I'm going to let it cool down a little bit, then we're going to try it. Usually we just go in and try it, but we don't want to burn our mouth or our tongue and the roof of our mouth. No, ain't nobody got time for that. Be back.
Daylight Candles is a company where the candles are made to the preference of the customer. All candles are made with soy wax and are between 5 to 8 ounces. There are a few ways you can choose your candle. You can choose your own personal oil and or color, or you can choose a candle from one of our many candle lines. One of our candle lines is the Daylight of Autumn, featuring scents like Apple Harvest, Caramel Popcorn, Red Hot Cinnamon, Hot Apple Pie, Cinnamon Stick, Macintosh Apple, and everyone's favorite Toasted Pumpkin Spice. A portion of the proceeds for the candles that are sold for charity are given to organizations that are near and dear to the company. The Daylight Hale line features scents that you would smell if you were to visit the beach. Sea salt and orchid, plumeria, hibiscus palm, beach linen, ocean breeze, and ocean rose. Daylight Royalty features our CEO's 2 favorite scents. One candle is called Queen, and it is infused with the scent inspired by Bath & Body Works' Mad About You fragrance. There's also Palace, and it is infused with magnolia and peony oil. Daylight Candles, igniting your life with fragrance and shining through the darkness.
It's cooled down a little. I usually would get scoops, Tostitos scoops, but I forgot. Grandma had chips in the house, so I'm gonna use chips. Could use some more crab, but no, it's good. Another successful dish. All right, I'm gonna keep eating, and I'll see you when I see you, or you'll see me when you see me next.